this is Karen with Grace Be Creations. Happy Friday. I hope everybody is having a wonderful week. And I hope you had a wonderful week. And I'm so glad that the weekend is here. Finally, the weekend is here. Tonight, I am doing a final flip through of the lace sample book that I made for Crafty Me Shop. And I am so excited to share this book with you. I have been working on this for about a month and a half. And I have had so much fun making this book. I truly enjoyed it. I love all of Esme's laces that I got to put in this book. And I'm going to tell you a little bit about it in case you're new. Crafty Me Shop is a lace shop ran by Esme. She has a Facebook group, Crafty Me Shop. I am on her design team. And I went and made a design team project. It was a pretty big project. It's a lace sample book using all of the laces that I've gotten through her shop. And so if you're new to Esme's shop, Crafty Me Shop, I'm going to leave a link below of her Facebook group. Go on over and join her group if you're interested in buying her beautiful laces. She has her sales on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And if you're new, when you join the group, you're going to go ahead and send her a message and give her your PayPal information so that when you join one of her sales, she'll already have your payment information so that she can send you an invoice. The way it works is she has her sales on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And then on Sunday, she'll send you an invoice. And once you pay it, she ships your package up on Monday, Tuesday, the latest. It's a really good system. She runs it with her and a few of her family members, and she does a lot of the stuff herself, and she's a hard worker. I absolutely love Esme. I gave her a small flip through during one of my lives last Saturday. She got to see the book, but it wasn't fully complete. I had a couple of pages left to do. But I'm going to give you guys the full flip through tonight. I'm so excited to finally share it with you. So let's go ahead and dive in. First of all, my inspiration was drawn from the spine. I got these beautiful lace doilies from one of her sales, and I got 3 of them. And I knew that this was going to be the spine for this book. So I went ahead and I did some pearls on the side. It's a 3 signature book. As you can see, there's 3 signatures in here. Sorry, my desk is a mess. I was really busy today. And by the way, this is my 4th time doing this video. I had some technical difficulties yesterday, so I am just getting to this video now. So let's go ahead and take a look inside the book so I can show you what I did. I've got this wrap, this tie that I did with her laces. This is her polka dotted trim. Everything in here is by Crafty Me Shop, sold by her, and a lot of her laces are the Crafty Me Shop CMS laces. Ooh, this one kind of went astray. So I have some lace sample cards here. I actually have a video on how to make these. I will link the video in the description below on how I made these lace sample cards. Let me just go ahead. Got a beautiful pocket here with her laces. This is her CMS lace here. And we have another sample card here with some appliques and some trim. I embossed it as well on the back of the paper. I think this one is stitched right there. And we have some embossed paper. Oop, that one ripped a little bit. All right. So first of all, we have lace samples here. I'm not sure if you're able to see that, but I'm going to bring it up a little close so you can see some of the laces there. And then we have a little spool card with one of her appliques on there. I made a pocket out of one of my favorite laces of hers. You'll probably hear favorite a lot in this video because it's really hard to choose what truly is my favorite lace by her. I love all of her laces. And this is one of her signature laces that she sells. Now in the center of the first signature, each signature has these pull-out cards, and they're little pull tabs that show you a little bit of each of her laces. Even these vintage buttons came from one of her floss boxes that I bought. Her vintage floss boxes. Oop. Oh, I'm gonna have to glue that down. While I'm here, sometimes when they go in and out of the pocket, they can lift up a little bit. That one's a little bit thick. And these are some of the ribbons that she sells that everybody loves. And each of the tabs have a little piece of her applique on there. And then I hang one of the appliques or a piece of lace off of the tab. And I used whale's tail tabs on these. I have another applique here. Some laces there. We have another pull tab here. Look at how gorgeous that lace is. Look at the ribbon. Look at the crystal color of it. Isn't it so pretty? And the eyelash trim. We have an applique. Some of her ribbons that everybody loves. Those were pretty popular when she was selling those. And it opens up to more laces. And I made this out of a tea bag. The pocket, I believe, is empty. Here's another one of her CMS laces here. Actually, all these are her CMS lace collection. This is her eyelash lace. And I made another journal card. Lace sample card here. It's almost 11 o'clock. It's late tonight, so I'm a little tired. I've got a little applique there, and I love this applique. Look at how gorgeous that is, guys. Isn't that beautiful? This is her CMS lace here. Gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. She had a great sale tonight, by the way. I spent way too much. You can never say no, though. Here's another one of my favorite laces. She actually named a lace after me, and I have it in here, and I'll show it to you. It's because I used to buy it all the time, and I absolutely loved it. Every time she posted it, I would go, oh my God. This is a vintage lace that I got in a special package right here. Love that. I made this a pocket. And then we flip into our second signature, and we have two more journal cards here. Pull tab cards with the samples on them. We have two appliques. Look at all the laces, guys. Look at that. I love this lace here. Holding like that. This is gorgeous. She also has this with her, she dyes them, Hocus Pocus color. I have the Hocus Pocus color in that one as well. Here's one that she dyed with tea stain. And a little tiny applique, all the little details, all Esme laces. Another one here. I love that lace. Love this one. I have a lot of that one, and this one's one of my absolute favorites, and she doesn't have any more of this right now. She's looking for it. She has it in a different color, but that's my favorite. I just love it so much. I hope she gets more. Here's the Karen lace. She named that one after me. I just love it so much. And here's another applique. Isn't that gorgeous? I believe this is another pocket. This is another one of her signature laces that she sells. She has this actually in pink as well. And then she has this beautiful ribbon that has like yarn for a flower knot. Gorgeous. Then we have another lace sample card. This one's jam-packed with all kinds of lace. This is fairly new. This one right here, she just started selling those. Well, it might be new to me. I don't think I got that before. I think she's been selling that one for a while, but this one is gorgeous. This one's new, and I absolutely love it. I have a lot of this because I absolutely love it. Like I said, I have a video making these really cute cards, and I will link it below. These are a lot of fun to make. Here's the one in the Hocus Pocus color I was telling you guys about. Isn't that gorgeous? And this lace here is one of my favorites as well. I love how it goes big, small, and then big. It has like scallop on it. Gorgeous. And these little flowers came off of one of her trims. And some scallop, and this ribbon here has like little crystals on it. Let me show you how pretty that is. You can see the crystal, and here's another of that lace in the Hocus Pocus color. Love it. I did another journal card, lace sample card. I don't know why I keep on trying to call it a journal card. Another applique on top. Then we have one more tab pull out for the third signature, and this one has more of the appliques. I'm going to go ahead and show you. Look at this. Look at that. So gorgeous. I did some inking on each of the stamps of the tabs. Then we flip it over. More of her ribbon. These are beautiful. Love the scallop on that. And look at that. Is that not gorgeous? Oh, I love her lace so much. Look at, and this is one of her signature pockets that she sells. This one didn't have a topper on it. There's two different kinds, and I added an applique flower on top of that. That was fun to do. Then we have some applique flowers. This one's old. I think I got this when I first started with her a long time ago. And we have another pull tab. I absolutely love this lace here and this one. I just love them all. We have another applique piece there. And we have these are the ones that I've hoarded. I have not used any of these in any projects because I love them. We have some roses. Her signature little corner pockets. And then she sells those a lot. I love this CMS lace right here. More of that lace because I love it. And I love this applique piece here. And this one is gorgeous. She has no more of that. She sold out on that. I'm glad I got a couple of pieces of that. And then we have another one of these really beautiful pockets. Love, love. And that is the end of the book, guys. That is 3 signatures. Look at all this. Look at all that gorgeousness. Isn't it so pretty? I'm so happy with how this came out. It's funny because I was telling someone today, I said, oh my goodness, I now have to get more Esme lace because now I put it all in my book. I told Esme that when she was in my live the other night. I'm like, well, I'm going to need more lace now. And she wanted me to keep a couple of pages empty so she could send me some appliques to fill more in. There's no way I could have left any pages empty. If anything, I needed to add another signature because I have a lot more of her lace that's in my drawers and stuff. But this is a lot of my favorites, and I love the ones that I chose, and I just love this book. So I just want to say thank you to Esme for giving us the best laces to work with in our projects. I really appreciate you, and I'm so honored to be on your design team. So thank you so much for having me, and I hope you guys like the lace sample book. If you could, leave a comment below. Let me know your thoughts. I love answering your comments. I love chatting with you all. So hit that like button, leave a comment, go join Esme's group. I'll leave a link below. And I hope to see you guys at one of her sales to buy her amazing, gorgeous laces. Well, that's it, guys. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your Friday. And I will see you guys for the live video tomorrow night, 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Have a good night, guys. Bye.